Welcome back. It's Neil. This is truly Artrageous. And today we're going to do another fan requested drawing, this time from Miss Martin's class. Psst, she's my cousin, by the way. I know her. And they requested that we draw an astronaut. So that's what we're going to do shortly. But before we do that, like I've said many times before, our goal here is to get as many people as we possibly can watching our videos so we can teach them how to draw. The way that we know we're successful in our goal is by the amount of subscribers that we have. So if you want to support the channel, go down below, click that subscribe button, and slap the bell so you're getting our latest content. And come have fun with us. And by the way, spread the word. Tell your friends. Tell your mom, your dad, your cousins. The guy at the grocery store, the guy on the street, tell them to come to Truly Artrageous, draw, and have some fun. Our goal for this month, February, is to reach 1,200 subscribers. With that said, let's get into drawing an astronaut. Let's get started on our astronaut. So for this drawing, you're going to need a piece of paper, a drawing utensil, and that can be a pencil or a pen or whatever's most comfortable for you. And then when we get to the coloring step, this is the color palette that I will be using to color in our astronaut. All right, let's go. So step number one, we're gonna draw a bent line, a really thin bent line, and I'll show you what I mean. So you're gonna draw a line up like this, and you're gonna curve around like this and come down like this. So it's kind of like an upside down U. All right, next we're gonna square off the feet here. So it's two lines, one here and one here. And those are not feet, those are actually space boots. Get it right, Neil. Okay, then we're gonna draw the inner side of the legs. So that's gonna come up like this. It's gonna come over like this and down like this. So it's kind of like a square, but the bottom part is missing. All right, next we're gonna draw the line that indicates the helmet. So that's gonna be just kind of a curved line around like that. Then our spaceman needs to see, so we're going to draw his visor. So that's just gonna be a circle. Gonna go start here, all the way around, like that, and keep going until we connect with that other line. Next, we're gonna put his arms on because our spaceman's gotta have, or excuse me, not a spaceman, our astronaut has to have arms. So we're gonna draw some arms. That starts right here. Just gonna curve the line out a little bit straight on the sides, and then we're gonna curve it back in like that. Then we're gonna do the other side. So again, curve that line out like that, straighter as it goes down like that. And then look over here, make sure these are kind of even. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just try and make them even. And then our astronaut has got his backpack that keeps him connected to the lander or spaceship or wherever he's hanging out to keep the oxygen inside the suit. So we're going to put that backpack on that's gonna come up like this and over like that. And we're gonna pretend that the line goes all the way through here. And we're gonna curve that line out and down. Then we're gonna put a fun little antenna. We're gonna make that come up right here, up like that. And then we're gonna draw a little tiny circle on top like that. Next, we're gonna put his boots on. So the front of his foot is just a curved line like this. I like how I said that, curved line. And then the other one, same thing, curved line like this. Then we'll draw the top of the boot and we'll just indicate that with the line across, this. Same thing on this side, line across like this. We'll give him some gloves too. So that's two straight lines, one like this and another like this. And the astronauts typically have a big zipper down the front of their suit. So we're gonna draw that in too. So that goes down like this. All right, next we're gonna draw him standing on the surface of a planet. And this time I'm gonna pick Mars because that's probably the place that our astronauts are gonna end up next. So I'm just gonna draw a curved line like this, I'm gonna carry that curve all the way through like that. And curve it down on the other side like that. And then if you want to, you can draw some craters. So those are just little lines, or little circles and ovals. Like this, you can just put them anywhere. They don't need to be anywhere in particular. All right, and there you have your line work done for your astronaut. Now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. All right, do you guys know why I enjoy the rotation of the Earth? Because it really makes my day. All right, and now it's time to move on to our coloring step, and we'll do that in warp speed starting right now. All right, there you have it, your fully colored astronaut. Now this background here, I got creative and just decided to add it in. If you don't want to do that, that's totally fine, leave it out. Or if you want to create your own, feel free to do that. Thanks again to Miss Martin's class for the idea here. I had lots of fun doing it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tell the entire universe about Truly Artrageous. Also, if you want to learn to draw more things, stay tuned to the end of the video. There's going to be some links to other videos. Or you can go to our YouTube page, we've got lots of videos there too. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.